Hey, Victoria. What you need to do for research the careers you have chosen, which is 222, assignment 222. First of all, you need to take a look at this list of questions, which is going to be your guide. You only need to answer 10 of these questions. I think there are 15 that are available to you. But like I said, you only need to answer 10. Okay, and all those instructions are right here. The best place to go to answer these questions is the Occupational Outlook Handbook, which is a government website that's available to you. And if you click on that link, the Occupational Outlook Handbook, it's going to show up. It looks like this. Let's imagine, I'm going to take you through like an example situation. So let's imagine that you are interested in being a teacher. You're going to type teacher or teaching, doesn't matter what you type, it'll find it into this block and click go. So once you click on there, you can see high school teachers, kindergarten and elementary school teachers, middle school teachers. Let's say that you're interested in being a kindergarten or elementary school teacher. You would just click on there. There's sort of like an overview of the job on this first page, which is summary, but you can see all these different tabs that are available to you. And each of these tabs is going to be helpful in answering those 10 questions that you select. So I'm going to continue talking to just give you an even more specific example of what you need to do. Let's stick with kindergarten and elementary school teachers. I'm going to go back to this list of questions that you need to use as your guide. And here's my list of questions. What education is needed for this career? If that's what I'm trying to answer, then I'm going to go on here and I'm going to click through these tabs. This is what they do. This is work environment. And you should, skim through all of this. How to become one is going to have my tab that talks about the education that I need to become a kindergarten teacher. It's also going to talk about the licenses or certifications that I also need to obtain to become a kindergarten teacher. So it doesn't matter what job you choose, you will get all that information available to you. So let's say that I want to choose another job like actress or actor. I don't think they call them actresses anymore. They call them actors. Okay, so let's say that I want to be an actor. Then I would just click on actor and I would get the exact same information for that particular profession, right? A couple other things that I want to make sure to mention. One is about the pay. And you can see that it doesn't give you a starting salary or a salary after 10 years, but it does give you a bottom 10%, a median, and a top 10%. So I want you to use your starting salary as the bottom 10% and your median salary as the salary after 10 years. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. I hope that that's a little bit helpful as you get started. Talk soon. Thanks so much.